Hello. Welcome to the second episode of Small Hands, Big Bowl. Or Big Plate. Big Bowl Plate. I'm Dr. Mukbang. Today we have a miso udon soup. I'm very excited. Some nice soft boiled egg. Wild mushrooms. And some nori. I'm here again with my quarantine, Kelsey and Ian. We're very excited to start digging in. Bon appetit. Today we spent the day gardening, planted some peas, some radishes. It's very cold outside, so this bowl of soup is what we needed. Very flavorful, but I'm going to add some hot sesame oil. Spice it up. It's very slow going. Jesus. Okay, well. Very excited for this added kick. Soupy. Yum. It's very hot still. This is a tasty, soft-boiled egg. Very good. Some more nudes. Send nudes, team. Let's not catch anything during this time. Let's get in on these tasty bok choys. And some tasty wild mushrooms. I believe the Kasowskis get their mushrooms through a mushroom share. Would highly recommend. They're very clean mushrooms. And very tasty. Yum. So nice and warm for such a cold day. Team, what have you guys been making during your quarantine? Yeah?
Oh, is that for me?
Or in general? Or for... Well, in general, I mean, followers, please list it in your comments what else you're making for this quarantine. But we are planning to make some tasty food. Isn't that right, Kelsey?
That's right.
We have some Japanese curry coming up, some spicy fish soup leftovers. Ian and I will see who can sweat the least during that. That'll be fun for our followers. Less ASMR though. More sweating. Oh man, this is so tasty. I think what's in this soup, just some miso base, garlic, ginger, shrooms, bok choy. So much umami. It might be time to start slurping, Chinese style. Toasty. Time to pick out some of the shrooms. You know, I wonder if we can add shrooms to our backyard. Will that grow well? Kelsey's giving me a pained, constipated look.
It's hard to grow through. You have to have a log.
Oh, we need a log. Followers, if you would like to send us a log of mushrooms, please do so. Just kidding, please don't. We have plenty of food.
No, I want the mushroom logs.
Oh, didn't you get one as a Christmas present? No, wedding present. That's right.
It worked for a while.
Oh yeah, that was from KB, right? Yeah. Well, I guess you could give us a mushroom log, or also consider donating to many of the food banks. Kelsey, selfishly wanting her mushroom log. This bowl is quite warm, but I am still hungry. Oh man, feeling hungry. This is very filling. It will get us through champagne karaoke. Or will it? Maybe if Kelsey baked us some bread. Followers, would you be interested in watching a video of Kelsey making bread? Please comment below. I dropped some mushroom.
Does Dr. Mukbang need a bib?
Dr. Mukbang actually has a very nice